Wait a minute, did you think this was it? Of course not. Guys, today we've got early sneakers, expensive sneakers, and a bunch more. Oh yeah, and I found Orange Knife. We're gonna kick it off with a package from Nike, and thankfully they include pull tabs. The very famous double-boxed single box. The whole Move to Zero thing is really complicated. A brand new Nike model that I was really interested to take a look at because apparently it's insanely comfortable. Now, it's not like it's gonna win any awards for the best looking, but this is the Nike Motiva. These literally just released, and Nike is marketing them as like comfort first, and they are literally made for walking. That really got me interested considering how much freaking cushion is in these things. Like, this midsole is stacked. And you know, I'm always looking for the latest and greatest when it comes to comfortable sneakers, and they're also very affordable. Now, I'm gonna have to test these things out long term, but I do just want to quickly feel what they're initially like as I throw them on. Oh yeah, okay, these are very interesting. So yeah, definitely cushioned and squishy. I'm not even entirely sure what this material is. It's not like Zoom X or anything, but it is super squishy, and it also has like a rocker shape. I'm gonna do some more longer term testing, see how I really feel about this pair of shoes, if it is in fact something that's insanely comfortable, and then I'll report back to you guys. Alright, not entirely sure what this sneaker is. I know what this one is. Okay, this one's gonna be hilarious. Honestly forgot I even bought this pair of shoes. Immediately the paper tells a story at what's gonna be inside. Holy crap. This is the Nike Dunk Zoom Vemero 5. This has got to be one of the weirdest pairs of shoes I have ever seen. I just assumed it's because, well, Nike Dunks are hyped and Nike's trying to get the Zoom Vemero 5 some of that hype action, so they decided to throw some of the Nike Dunk clothing on top of it. First of all, this material is not leather. I thought it could be some kind of leather online, but no, this is just some kind of fabric. It's not even fully attached to the upper. Once you take this Nike Dunk stuff off of the upper, there's no reattaching it, at least not easily. You'll have to get like a little piece of thread and sew it down onto the upper. This is just so weird looking. Like, what is going on with this shoe? Underneath is a solid pair of Zoom Vemero 5s though. Like, this is a nice colorway. Let me know what you think of these down in the comment section, and would you rock them? Alright, we got this box here which is very heavy. This is actually an early pair. Notwoways sent this over to me, so I am hyped to check it out because this is their brand new sneaker model. Damn, okay. So the box is freaking extra. Okay, we get a little bit of a premium unboxing experience. Look at that, you get a little dust bag, get a little extra booklet about the design of the sneaker. That is really cool. Either way, the sneakers themselves, this is the Notwoways Formula. I mean, obviously it's a pretty monochromatic, simple colorway, but this is definitely a new design in terms of what you're used to seeing with Notwoways. This is definitely taking on a classic silhouette with leather on the uppers, a bunch of different overlays. It's kind of like a mixture of details of, like, you can kind of see maybe some Jordan 1, maybe some Air Force 1, maybe some Dunk. Feels solid on the upper. You can see the grain of leather in, like, on the side of the panels. Let's see if these are like true to size. The release is right around the corner. This is my true to size, a similar kind of sizing to a Dunk or a Jordan 1. These are really sick. Always love to see what Notwoways is doing. Just really happy to see Callux, a YouTuber, creating a freaking sneaker brand that people really enjoy. Huge shout out to Notwoways, huge shout out to Callux. These are awesome. Now I know you guys are gonna be like, what the hell are you doing? It's summertime. Why are you buying more hoodies? I don't know. I've got a problem. I will say this one is supposed to be pretty different. So it's from a brand called Ditch. As you guys know, I'm on a little bit of an expedition to find crazy cool hoodies that I've never tried before. So let me show you guys what this one's all about. It's not like they're sending these to me or anything. I'm just trying to find it out for myself, and I let you guys know my honest opinion on these things. This is called the masked hoodie. That's right, because you got a built-in mask to the bottom of this thing. Now this is definitely, I would imagine, more of a winter, springtime hoodie. The temperature that it is in the UK, like, I'm sweating just thinking about putting this thing on. I got a size medium for reference. Actually really affordable by hoodie standards. I was actually kind of surprised. The quality, it's not amazing, but for what you're paying, it's pretty solid. It's a little bit more of a standard fit. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments. All right, back over to the sneakers, and this is a pair that freaking broke my bank. If you guys watched my sneaker collection video, you know that one thing I really wanted to do when it comes to my sneaker collection was get more kind of grails. There was so many kind of expensive sneakers that I really wanted back in the day, and I kind of wish I bought them when they were at their cheapest. So one sneaker that I wanted to check off my list is this one, if I can get it out of the box. That's right, we got that Nike olive box. Travis Scott pink paper. That's right, we got the olives, the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. Now you may be thinking, brother, you had these things. You did a review on that. No, I didn't. That was actually a review pair. So this is the personal pair. Now, of course, when you get a brand new pair, especially of this price point, you gotta do your checks, make sure that everything is all good. Everything's good. The extra laces in the building as well. This is a pair of shoes that I know for a fact is gonna go up ridiculously in price. I'm like, let me just get them now because I know for a fact I want these. This is the second Travis Scott sneaker that I own. First one being the reverse mocha, so I got this one as well. Yeah, in terms of Travis Scott Jordans, we know that this is the final one. They're not gonna be releasing any more of these Travis Scott fragments. I'm not gonna be able to afford now. That price tag is gone. I really like this colorway, and it's just super easy to rock, so I know I'm gonna be able to throw a bunch of different outfits together. This summertime, I'm gonna be killing it in these things. All right, we got our final pair in the building. This is a pair that's dropping tomorrow, I think. And these were supposed to come in a while ago. They were pretty heftily delayed, but here they are, guys. We got a 350 bucks. Yeah, we're back into the swing of this, well and truly. Yeezys are back, and we're back checking out the latest ones. Damn, okay, that's very different. This is the Yeezy 350 V2 Dark Beluga. This box kind of smells a bit weird in here. These things smell like a green plant people use to get high. I don't know what I can say on YouTube. What the hell? Okay, look, this is so random. I got these things off of Go. I don't know, am I supposed to say something? Like, what do you do when your pair of shoes, and it's pretty strong. Like, I'm not over exaggerating here. I did not expect this color, and I'm not even entirely sure if you can see it on camera, but this is kind of like an olive color. It is kind of like an olive color, and you can really see it on this pair because they've basically flipped these shoes from pair to pair. So this is all of the lighter grays at the top, and then this one is all of the darker grays, which I gotta be honest, I kind of like the look of this one with that Volt orange stripe. And on this one, it kind of blends in a little bit more. It doesn't look as bright as the orange stripe on here. So yeah, this is the big pair of 350s, the brand new colorway that's gonna be dropping tomorrow on the 31st, or in some regions, June the 1st. So this is actually the 4.0, pretty much. Like, yeah, the fourth iteration. They've done the original Beluga, the Beluga 2.0, the Beluga Reflective, and now the Dark Beluga. In all honesty, I think this is a solid pair. I mean, obviously, they've got a lot of the same elements. So if you're someone who has the Belugas already, you may not want these, but if you do prefer this darker color, which is honestly, like, now I'm looking at it, I feel like it could look pretty sick. I mean, obviously, I like the original colorway because it's the original colorway, but I'm kind of liking the darker vibes of the Dark Beluga. I might try and do a review on them. If you guys want to see that, drop it down in the comment section. I'll throw an outfit together. Let me know down in the comments, which one do you prefer? You taking Dark Beluga or Light Beluga? But that is all the boxes I got for you guys today. Listen, there is a ton of sneaker releases right around the corner, and I go through the top 10 most hyped that you need to know about in that video right there.